Railway tracks are at the mercy of extreme weather, blistering heat waves, freezing cold snaps, and torrential rain. These conditions cause tracks to buckle, crack, and fail. The result? Disruptions, costly repairs, and safety risks. Traditional monitoring methods often react too late, leaving operators playing catch-up instead of staying ahead. When track conditions aren't monitored proactively, the impact can ripple across the entire network. So, how does it work? At the heart of the solution is the Caliper Captus data logger, working seamlessly with sensors to measure track and air temperatures, as well as microclimate conditions. Once installed in the field, these devices continuously gather and send back data to a central system. When critical thresholds are met, alerts are triggered, giving operators real-time insights they can act on immediately. Each sensor in the Caliper solution plays a crucial role. The track temperature sensor monitors rail conditions directly, ensuring early detection of when tracks may be at risk of buckling or cracking. The ambient air sensors monitor weather-related temperature changes, while the microclimate sensors take it a step further by measuring wind speed, rainfall, and humidity. These sensors work together to offer valuable insights into rail conditions, supporting operators in making decisions aimed at maintaining safety and efficiency. Now that we understand the loggers and the sensors, let's talk about how they stay connected and reliable. Whether it's cellular, satellite, or a hybrid network, our solutions are designed to transmit even in the most remote locations. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, from torrential rain to searing heat, these devices are as tough as the rails they monitor. They are tested beyond IP68 and withstand flood submersion up to 5 meters for 14 days. Let's talk setup. Installation is straightforward and designed to minimize downtime. First, mount the sensors in the data logger alongside the track. Our custom brackets and pre-calibrated sensors make this process seamless. Once installed, the system is ready to go with no additional adjustments needed. This simplicity ensures for a quick deployment so you can get straight to monitoring. Once installed, the real magic begins. The sensors and logger collect detailed data on track temperatures, air conditions, and microclimate factors. Using edge processing, the system analyzes the data, ensuring only critical alerts are sent when thresholds are met. This reduces unnecessary notifications so you can focus on actionable insights. All the data is sent securely to your platform of choice, integrating seamlessly with your existing systems or dashboards. Still wondering if it works? Just ask Horizon. They're deploying the Caliper rail monitoring solution across their network. Within a 5-month period, they saw a 14,900 minute reduction in their overall delayed minutes, resulting in a significant reduction of downtime and boosting efficiency. It's a proven approach that delivers real-world results every time. Ready to transform your rail operations? Visit caliper.com to learn more and schedule a demo today.